So Japanese, it hurts me.
Yeah, you're so Japanese, honey.
Turning Japanese, I really think so.
Yes. And what was supposed to be our sake night turned out to be our soaky night.
Yeah, soaky night. That's right. Soke.
Yes, soaky and lots of rain. So we are cooking inside our normal sleeping tent. And my husband is making yakisoba.
Yakisoba.
And a little one-man burner here.
Yeah, it works. It works. I'm not easy. It works. Hey, we got to throw some veggies into this because, we got to be healthy.
Our not-so-period plastic containers.
Oh, my hands are so fucking cold. There we go. Got it. A little bit of... There we go. Look at that. Wham! Bam! Bam! That's what I'm
doing your best Emerald impersonation?
Yeah,
is that what that is?
I gotta do the bam. You know how it works. And then, hang on, we gotta do more bam. Here we go. Coming up. Coming up. Go. This is the cabbage. Gotta do our bam! You see that? Oh, we're actually eating fucking good for you shit. Like we know what we're doing.
Just don't go bam with the hot spice and we'll be all good, honey.
No, we're all good. You can't have spicy shit, baby. No spicy shit for the wife. Yes. Tonight was supposed to be our Asian night where we were going to actually, just eat.
Are you actually stirring those with silicone spatula?
Look at this.
Just don't melt them, please.
No, that ain't going to happen. Hang on. And my biggest problem is I'm throwing shit everywhere.
I thought you had some metal tongs. They're right there.
Well, I know we got the metal tongs, but I want to do it this way. See, this way I'm kind of like, ooh, look at that. We stir it up. See how I'm doing that? So we let it kind of do its thing. You gotta do this. And then, see your noodles? Noodles are vitally important when doing
for this dish,
yakisoba.
yes.
Yeah, very, very important. Because it is after all, the soba. I mean, yaki means the meat or whatever, kind of being cooked. But in this case, you could say cooked noodles. I'm doing yakisoba. Alright. They're cool about this because the pre-made stuff, not unlike ramen, we get noodles, and then what they do is they throw in, like with the noodles, like I've got here, they throw in the noodles, but they also give you these shiny silver packets. See, there's 3 of them. It looks like condoms, right? So anyway, the condom-looking thingies are the lovely powder / sauce. So, in this case, I'm going to rip open the lovely... I'm going to lick my fingers and get it kind of so I can leverage it. So, you throw in the noodles. Boom! There's one. Wait a minute. Another one coming up. So, all you have to do is tear... What's cool is there's a lot like... I still can't get it. Look at this. It's a lot like a condom package, right? Yeah. Okay.
Honey, I think it's been a long time since you've had to open one of those.
I know. I've never had to open one. I usually get somebody else to open them. What can I say? Fingers are all sticky. Or slick.
Well, considering the fact that you're just trucking around in the rain and it practically everything in the tent is wet.
Everything's wet. So anyway, I'm trying to open the goddamn packages. I hope you all are paying really close attention to how I'm cooking with my expertise.
I have scissors in my sewing kit.
Well, that's too much to work on. that would mean looking through the sewing kit and then...
I don't have to look through the sewing kit. It's the biggest thing in the sewing kit.
Oh.
Question is, where did I put the sewing kit?
Right?
And the fact that I would be putting fabric scissors on food.
And nothing is working like crazy for opening them up. So anyway.
Holy moly.
There we go. Look at that. Oh, voila. So, look at the noodles. You can show the people the noodles. See the noodles? See how I'm kind of breaking them up a little bit because it doesn't matter?
Yes, I see you flinging noodles.
Fling noodles.
I see flinging noodles.
See, the flinging noodles is a good thing. So, that's why you use these. Kind of fling some more noodles, like so. This is going to be a lovely meal. See it? Flinging noodles everywhere.
Noodles.
So anyway,
Noodles.
you take the flinging noodles from everywhere. And then, see the powdered thingies? You know, the condom things we set off to the side. Now, take them by piece. I kind of...
I should say, yeah. For viewers at home, we've been married for more than 20 years. We haven't used these in...
I don't know. Have we ever really used them? I don't remember. So then I kind of sprinkle it on like so. And then you do another one because we're just sprinkling. And these are powdered packets of flavor, of marvelousness. They're like magical.
Magical?
It's pixie dust. What can I say? It's like pixie dust. So you open it up. You kind of do the sprinkle again. Look. Magic sprinkle.
Does it make it pixie dust?
Pixie dust.
Well, what are pixies in Japanese?
You know, yokai, I guess. Yokai is like a general statement for anything that's supernatural. So anyway, back to this. Another one.
Well, what are those little white tree spirits called? I forget.
Oh, shit, you would ask me that. I don't know.
Those are probably the
the ones you're
closest
talking
equivalent.
about from like
Princess Mononoke.
Princess Mononoke. I don't know. I was trying to remember. I think they're... I don't remember. Obviously very important. So see, I mix it all together. So sit here mixing. Because that's the important part, is this all has to be mixed together. Now, notice
our stomachs won't do that at any point.
Oh, yeah. No. None whatsoever. So I'm trying to keep it all together, like noodles and the meat and the veggies with the sauce. And notice how the sauce is kind of powdering. The powder becomes mixed in with the juices from everything
oil
else.
that's in the pan.
And the oil. And so it kind of becomes its own little thing, if you would.
Gravy.
Gravy's a good word. Gravy. Like a gravy, but...
It's a ragu.
It's a ragu.
To steal from the Italians.
Oh, steal from the Italian. We don't care about the Italians. This is Japanese food. Yakisoba.
I'm pretty much sure it was all stolen from the
Yakisoba.
Chinese. Pretty much sure it was all stolen from the Chinese anyway.
Oh, there's a good possibility.
It's pasta.
So anyway, we got it all mixed together. We let it kind of do its cooking thing for a moment. Because I just want to kind of mix it in and get its thing kind of going. It's like magic. And then we give it a moment, and then we're going to add it to our dishes. So in this case, we'll just use some dishes. We brought chopsticks, so we're looking really Asian about this. So we're set. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Fuck You Waku.